Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. It's been a while since I did a rod wrapping video, so in today's video we're going to do the spiral wrap, also known as the barber pole. So I already laid this out, and we did not stagger these dots. They're right across from each other. We didn't divide in half, but they're 1 centimeter all the way down. And some people do it on all four sides of the pole. I just do it on 2 sides of the pole because I've been doing it long enough where I could keep my hand at a steady distance. So we got our trusty 2-foot rod blank that we use for these wraps. And we're going to try this spiral wrap and show you guys how this goes. As always, we'll put our sticky tape on each end. Now we normally would turn around and come back, but this spiral wrap is pretty much you go one way with it. So that's what we're gonna do. I marked it every 10 or every centimeter because I wasn't sure what length I was gonna do the barber pole, how far I was gonna spread it out. I do use one of those Crayola washable markers, so I can always take that off. Those dots that are in the middle, we just take them off of there. Let me just zoom right along this thing. We'll switch colors. You can do any pattern you want, any color pattern. Thickness of it, I just went 3 reps on that one. Now I'm going to do 2 reps on each side of that green with this yellow. Alright, so that's 2 reps of yellow. That's 2 reps of orange right there. I think I'm going to do 4. And you could change up your thread color, how many times. I mean, you could do more than 3 colors. That's why I love the thread art on these rods. You can do so many different things with them, and it's just fun to do. You can come up with designs. Sometimes I don't even know what pattern I'm looking for until I'm done with the darn thing. And then I was like, then there's times I take it apart because I just don't like it. So, I mean, and there you have it. That's just a quick little spiral wrap, aka barber pole. It's a nice little wrap. It's good for in between the handles on a split grip. And again, I use a washable marker, so those marks come right off. Just wipe them off here. And they'll come right off. That's our barber pole. Thanks for watching, everybody.